Hey everyone, welcome back. To enable Face ID or fingerprint in the CIBC app, first you're going to go ahead and log in normally. Enter your username, your password. Then, once you log in, what you're going to do is find the biometric login option and turn it on. Confirm your identity using your password or a security code. Allow the app to access Face ID or fingerprint when prompted. Go to the settings, then search for Face ID and passcodes. Make sure you have enabled Face ID and password there as well. Next, from now on, you can log in faster using biometric authentication. Follow these steps to enable it, and that's it. Subscribe for more.